Hi all, welcome to My Ambrosia. The cookies with soft center, slightly crispy on the edges and bursting with blueberry flavor. Yes, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறது chewy blueberry cookies. நான் ஏற்கனவே உங்ககிட்ட ஷேர் பண்ண மாதிரி artificial flavors or artificial fruit crush is always a big no in My Ambrosia. We always opt in for raw and natural flavors that is refined from any chemicals. Just like using this frozen blueberries instead of artificial blueberry crush. Frozen blueberries are over low medium heat. We are going to thaw it for a minute or two. Let's start preparing our cookie dough by beating our cold vegan butter along with sugar. நான் இன்னைக்கு unrefined cane sugar use பண்ணிருக்கேன். Yes, of course, நம்ம more chewier texture-காக we can always use brown sugar. Just like buttercream செய்யற மாதிரி, we have to beat in our butter and sugar until it is light and fluffy. நான் இன்னைக்கு use பண்றது homemade vegan butter. Yes, of course, I always make my own vegan butter. This will take around 2 to 5 minutes. Over medium high speed we have to beat our butter. So cookies ku butter beat பண்றதுக்கான reason என்ன தெரியுமா? It is to properly aerate the butter with sugar to create a proper texture. So இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம butter beat பண்ணும்போது the consistency has to be very perfect and also avoid overbeating. Yes, overbeat பண்ணும்போது the cookies will spread too much in the oven. Especially ரொம்ப சாஃப்டான butter யூஸ் பண்ணும்போதோ இல்ல melting stageல இருக்க butter நீங்க beat பண்ணும்போதோ this issue will definitely happen. So இந்த issues avoid பண்றதுக்கு cold butter a minute or two நல்லா lump free beat பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Once the texture is smooth, then add in your sugar and beat well. Once sugar add பண்ணதும் beat well until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is where we are incorporating air leading to a better texture and spread. Can you see the texture? So beat பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் எவ்வளவு fluffy and pale இருக்கு and very creamy. So in the consistency we have to stop beating and overbeat பண்ணும்போது the cookie will spread without any control. Back to the blueberry cookie. So இந்த ஸ்டேஜ்ல நம்ம thaw பண்ணி வச்சிருக்க blueberries add பண்ணலாம். Frozen berries thaw பண்ணும்போது liquid separate ஆகும் இல்லையா? We have to use that liquid too. இந்த cookiesக்கு frozen berries will work better. நீங்க in case fresh berries use பண்ணும்போது while beating the blueberries over smudge ஆகும் and அதோட texture and appearance ரொம்ப ஒரு மாதிரி appealing-ஆ இருக்காது. Since இந்த cookieல நம்ம frozen blueberries use பண்றதுனால the flavor will be more intense and sweeter. So once நம்ம blueberry add பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் we are going to beat it for a minute or two. This is the reason why I said not to overbeat the butter before. And in the blueberries add பண்ணி beat பண்ணும்போது color instant-ஆ change ஆகுறது பாத்தீங்கன்னா that is really satisfying. So 1 to 2 minutes நம்ம beat பண்ணும்போது blueberries perfect-ஆ crush ஆகி ப்ராப்பரா நம்மளோட பட்டரோட incorporate ஆயிடும். And one more thing we should be really careful about while thawing the berries or 30 seconds to 1 minute வரைக்கும் நம்ம thaw பண்ணலாம். In case நீங்க microwave oven use பண்ற மாதிரி இருந்தா 30-second burstல you can thaw it. Because நம்ம overall heatல thaw பண்ணும்போது the blueberries will be cooked. So அதுல நம்ம கொஞ்சம் careful-ஆ இருக்கணும். In case blueberries cook ஆகிற stageல இருக்கும்போது the texture will be altered. Once blueberry proper incorporate ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் it's time to add in our dry ingredients. Sift in your dry ingredients along with a pinch of salt. So wet and dry ingredient incorporate பண்ணும்போது either you can fold in the dry ingredient to the creamy butter or else நீங்க over low speed வச்சிட்டு you can incorporate the dry ingredient. Mix gently over low speed to avoid overworking the gluten. In case நம்ம over mix பண்ணோம்னா the cookies will be very tough and dense instead of tender. Stop mixing as soon as there are no visible flour. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு crumbly texture வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் you can stop mixing and use your spatula to fold in the dough. usually cookiesல brown sugar add பண்ணும்போது the texture will be little bit chewier. In case உங்களுக்கு extra chewiness வேணும் அப்படின்னா you can add a teaspoon of cornstarch. This helps in to bind moisture for extra chewiness. இந்த மாதிரி chewier cookiesக்கு ingredient ஒரு பக்கம் இருந்தாலும் mixing technique plays a huge role. That starts from creaming your butter and sugar, not too much overbeating. And once sugar and butter cream பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் adding in your any liquid ingredient. In this case, we used water from frozen berries. Folding in dry and wet ingredient properly. At the same time, not over mixing it. And once நம்மளோட cookie dough ready ஆனது, we are not going to bake it immediately. Instead, we are going to refrigerate this for 30 minutes. Minimum 30 minutes and maximum 1 hour வரைக்கும் நீங்க refrigerate பண்ணிட்டு and then start baking your cookies. This step is really important to get that chewier texture. Because நம்ம dough chill பண்ணிட்டு bake பண்ணும்போது this helps prevent spreading and allows the flour to absorb moisture. So the end result will be very chewier texture. So after in refrigerator for 30 minutes நம்மளோட cookie dough இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு consistency and textureல தான் இருந்தது. Scoop it up, place it in the parchment paper or baking sheet. Parallelly oven 170 degrees Celsius க்கு preheat பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க and we are going to bake it for around 10 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. What if you don't chill the cookie dough? The cookies will be flat and thin with more spreading. Because the dough will be warm at room temperature. So warm dough நம்ம immediate bake பண்ணும்போது the cookies will spread faster in the oven. Because high fat ratio. So cookies denser இருக்கும். நம்ம expect பண்ண chewiness இருக்காது. And also cookies uneven bake ஆகலாம். Some areas it will be softer and some it will be drier. ஒரு inconsistent texture இருக்கும். In case if you don't have time to chill your dough for 30 minutes, better 15 minutes நம்ம freezerல வச்சு கூட bake பண்ணலாம். And one more hack, நீங்க butter cream பண்ண start பண்ணும்போது place a metal baking sheet in your fridge. Once dough ready ஆனது, you can spread the dough onto the chilled metal baking sheet. So all these are simple tips and hacks to chill your dough immediately. So நம்மளோட cookies are into the oven. Can you visibly see how controlled it is spreading? So this is the reason for chilling the dough. So after baking it for 10 minutes, நம்மளோட cookies are perfectly ready. So in the cookies la little bit of browning irukku illaya, we can avoid that by covering the cookie sheet with foil sheet. So இதோட texture எப்படி இருக்குன்னு நம்ம கட் பண்ணி பார்த்துடலாமா? And centerல அவ்வளோ சாஃப்டா இருக்கு, outerல little bit crispier இருக்கு. So taste wise பார்க்கும்போது it is more intense with blueberry flavor because நம்ம frozen berries use பண்ணியிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? To enhance the flavor even more, you can always add in vegan white chocolate. So what do you think? My Ambrosia menuல இந்த cookie add பண்ணலாமா? மறக்காம கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. Hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Do share it with your friends and family who love vegan and plant-based pastries. Thank you.